The male carries the egg until the egg hatches, and then hundreds of seahorses shoot out into the sea. Next, do you know whose feet keep an egg warm? Yes, every year in the middle of the winter, an emperor penguin lays one egg and gives it to the mate. The mate balances the egg between the feet and the feather until it hatches in early spring. Do you know which father has a chest like a sponge? Yes, sandroos live in the dry desert areas of Africa, Asia and Southern Europe. When water is in short supply, the male flies hundreds of kilometers to the water hole and sucks water that drives back to its thirsty cheeks. Then the chicks drinks water for a long and refreshing drink. Subscribe, like and share and give a big thumbs up. Thank you.